Hi, this is Emil from PrismalStudio.com. Today, we'll take a look at the newest features of the project, which is available on the website for free right now. The latest revision features infinite scrolling of the map on screen, and customizable ambient lighting, a main menu, and of course, an auto-tiling algorithm. It runs approximately at 200 frames per second, and, at the bottom left, you can see the new text area showing the user some information on how to use the software. Okay, let's get started. If you take a close look at the coordinates information, you'll see that the world is made out of 256 regions of 32 areas of 17 tiles. You can drag the floor in any direction indefinitely since it loops the regions at each end. I've added the handling of the mouse position, which can be seen by the green square following the mouse pointer. You must have already seen the light that follow the cursor. I've included the two-dimensional light engine that add an ambient lighting to a scene, which I can change at any given time. You can go from pitch black to full daylight by the ambient light value, or by adding single light subject to the scene. Now, the interesting part. The auto-tiling algorithm. You can change the tile type on the go by left-clicking the tile map. The surrounding tiles will adjust consequently without any effort from your side. You can drag the mouse while holding down the left mouse button, and it will paint the floor with the currently selected tile type. You can change the tile type and then, for example, put back some stone-paved floor tiles. It is also possible to place a third tile type, and it will still renders it in the right order. Here's some grass tiles. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to take a look at PrismalStudio.com and keep updated with the latest news of the project. Or subscribe to the Prismal Studio YouTube channel. Thanks. Have a nice day.